to today's workout. We are doing some beautiful fan veils today. Thanks to Laurie, who's requested that we do more fan veil work. Thanks for that. I do love fan veils, so it's a great excuse to be able to get them out with you all. If you haven't done your fan veils before, I've just done a tutorial on it recently, so check that out first. Otherwise, if you don't have any fan veils, you can use normal fans, or you can use some chopsticks or even a fork just to hold your hands in place to get the pattern. We're starting off going up and down. Nice and slow, getting some energy into your arms.
Have no regrets. Paint the sky.
Oh, isn't that nice? Paint the sky. And to the sides, up and down. Nice and slow, momentum up. You can add a little flick in the wrists to get them up and then let them fall. Try and be patient, try not to pull it down. And one side, other side. Nice and strong. Keeping your hands nice and strong. So we're building the strength through our hands here, not just through our arms. In fact, I find it's mainly through our hands, because the only time I use these muscles seems to be when I'm using these props. They look so beautiful though. Side. Nice and strong, using those wrists.
Have no regrets. Paint the sky.
And coming in a little flatter, one side then the other. So working it quick, trying to keep those veils up. Try not to let that fabric come to the floor. You want to keep it up in front of you. If you haven't done this move before, check out the other tutorial. You can use your wrist or you can use your forearm. So whichever feels more comfortable for you. And then coming over to one side, nice long leg, keep it flatter, and other side, transferring across. Nice and strong. I feel like we should do some little glute workouts here. Coming back in. Now both arms, go both same time, rather than one and then the other. Keep both going. And over to the side. Nice and long with those feet, those legs. And other side. Woo! Nice, coming back in. And we come over and over. So really using the whole length of that veil to come around. And remember, when you're doing this one, you want to lead with your hand so that the silk can fly over. And try and keep the fan in line as you come over. Try and keep it in line with the silk as it falls in that circle. A little faster. Over, 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 over. Getting some work through those legs as well. Little bend. Okay, this time we're coming step, 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 and up. Step, 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 and up. Step, 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 and up. Step, step, step. Little faster. Step, 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 up. Step, 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 up. You can use those wrists again to get the momentum. I'm coming up onto my toes as I come up. Step, 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 up. Step, 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 up. Just enjoy the movement. Enjoy the beautiful silk. Same move, close the veils. I really love silk veils, silk fan veils. It's making me realise how much I love using them. Okay, swooshing around. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. So one side, then the other. Again, using those wrists for momentum. Coming down. And up. So one side, then the other. Keeping those fan veils girls together. Still using your hands to keep the fans together.
When you're surrounded by darkness, open your eyes. Look around you.
Okay, this time we're coming up and down. Nice and strong. Let's add a little figure 8 in. And bring your hands in front. Keep them up.
Your favorite color.
Keep the figure 8.
Your favorite color.
And let's add our little flutter. Coming through and side. Coming through and side. There you go. That's our 5-minute fan veil workout. I hope you like the shimmy shakers. Practice as much as you need. And if you really want to extend your belly dancing, I've just launched a new choreography course on Patreon. I'll link that below. Planning a beautiful Majance entrance choreography to a song that's fantastic just for us. I'll link that in our Patreon as well. Thanks for watching. Happy dancing as always.